We saw isolated thundershowers forming across South Africa on Sunday. On our satellite, you'll see them starting up over the Free State and the Eastern Cape early on in the day, moving eastward into KwaZulu-Natal, with a second lot forming over the northwest and Limpopo, pushing through to the southwestern part of Gauteng by Sunday evening. We also saw a cold front sweeping through the Western Cape in the first part of the day, bringing in rainfall with it and cool temperatures, but with a sunny afternoon. On Monday, we're expecting a ridging high to result in cloudy weather into KwaZulu-Natal with the possibility of rainfall. We're forecasting dry and warmer weather over the western part, and we'll see an increase in thunderstorm activity in the first part of the work week, with up to a 60% chance of thunderstorms extending from the northwest all the way through to KZN. In fact, the SA Weather Service have issued a watch for the possibility of severe thunderstorm development, with potentially large hail and damaging wind over parts of the northwest, the Free State, KwaZulu-Natal and Mpumalanga. Now, with the clear skies, we're expecting windy conditions into Cape Town with a strong southerly to southeasterly wind. Moderate southeasterly winds are forecast for East London and Durban, and we'll see stronger winds across the interior into Monday evening. Passersburg and Kimberley can expect isolated thundershowers at 35. We're heading to the upper 20s for Sutherland and Springbok. Dry throughout the Western Cape with a bit of cloud overhead. 24 for Cape Town, with a few of those maximum temperatures heading towards that 30-degree mark over the Western Cape interior. Still quite cool for George and Muscle Bay at 21, just shy of 30 for Beaufort West and Graaff-Reinet Net. We're expecting mild weather to continue along the Eastern Cape coastline with the possibility of rainfall. We'll see thundershowers and warmer weather as we head further inland. Cooler weather is forecast throughout KwaZulu-Natal, but despite that cooling, we're still expecting a warm afternoon with thundershowers over the northern parts, with cloudy conditions and the chance of rain along the coast as well as over the southern part of the province. We're heading to the upper 20s and low 30s for Mpumalanga, with up to a 60% chance of thundershowers over the western parts, possibly reaching Bombela at 29. Cooler weather is expected over the eastern part of Limpopo, still warm though, with Polokwane and Zenina at around 30, and thundershowers expected over the southwestern parts. Up to a 60% chance of thunderstorms is forecast for the northwest, especially over the western part of the province into the evening. Zeeruston, Rustenburg at 33. 35 for Bloemfontein and Welkom, with a 40 to 60% chance of thundershowers for the Free State, and there's that watch for severe thunderstorm developments. 33 for Pretoria, around 30 degrees for the rest of Gauteng, with up to a 60% chance of thundershowers at the start of the work week. We'll see that thunderstorm activity increasing on Tuesday with cloudy, wet and cooler weather, especially over the central, northeastern and eastern parts. Rain remains in the forecast along the Eastern Cape coastline right the way through to Wednesday, with thundershowers still in the forecast in the northeast, and we're expecting hot weather in the west. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a great week.